Okay everyone, so for today it's round 43 for our 100 days of code, and for 100 days of game development, round 2 for day 18. So yesterday I wasn't able to post, but I was working on studying AWS cloud here. I learned how to go and find the user containers here, or how you can go and create users, but you'll need to sign up for insert your credit card. I don't have that yet, so I'll go and work on that some other time. I also did some review for Docker. I reviewed some of the Docker commands that are used for implementing containers, and I also did install the AWS CLI in my Linux machine. And for today, I was able to go and implement prefab in Unity and write about in web development. In Unity, this is the update. You would see, guys, if we play this game right now, we can move the character, the spaceship here, and if I go and click on the space bar, we now have a prefab here of instances, but still we need to make it move, and of course we don't want all of this laser clones being similar with Scratch. We need to go and delete the clones here, so I'll be working on that. But for now, we have some prefabs of a laser, and it's now able to produce we are able to produce prefabs here. And I also did read some things about polyfills, especially for older browsers. If let's say you want to go and implement the input type value pair for the input element and the date value for the type attribute. So I did a lot of reading about how to implement polyfills and found some good resources, GitHub resources. So you would see here I've put the link here down below, and there's this developer mozilla.org documentation. You would see here what a polyfill is all about. It's a piece of code that is usually used. It's a JavaScript code. It is usually a JavaScript code from where we can go and provide modern functionality on older browsers that do not natively support it. Because I encountered some issue when I was trying to build a website from where the input type attribute for the input element has a value of date, and there's a warning sign when I try to validate the site. So this is going to be a good information to also be familiarized with. And of course, the importance of schema. I was validating my web document, the website that I'm building, and you would see here a static site that I was building as an exercise. So you would see here also that I encountered this SERPS term. So I search what SERPS means, and says here search engine result pages, also known as SERPs. SERP are Google's response to a user search query, and tends to include organic search results, paid Google ads result, featured snippets, knowledge graphs, and video results. So anything that you type or say something to Google, and the SERP is what you will be getting back. So the things that we get once we do a search in Google or other search engines, that's what we call SERP. So search engine results pages, because this is the first time that I encountered this. So it's additional information for me. So that will be for today, guys. 100 days of code, round 5, day 43. And 100 days of game dev, round 2, day 18.